In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to establish secure connection to Zoom. This error usually comes down to a few common causes, like network hiccups, an out-of-date app, incorrect system time, or security tools getting a bit too protective. Follow along, and we'll walk through reliable fixes step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try loading a couple of websites or streaming a short video to confirm things are working. If pages feel slow or don't load, restart your router by turning it off, waiting about 10 to 15 seconds, and turning it back on. Give it a minute to fully reconnect, then try Zoom again. A quick router refresh often clears temporary network issues that can block secure connections. Next, close Zoom completely and reopen it. Don't just close the window. Make sure it's not running in the background. On many systems, Zoom sits in the system tray or menu bar, so fully quit it there. Then relaunch. This clears any stuck processes and reinitializes the connection. Now, update the Zoom app to the latest version. Open Zoom and use the built-in Check for Updates option. Updates often include security and connection improvements, and running an older build can cause handshake errors when establishing a secure session. Once updated, restart the app and try joining your meeting. After that, check your computer's date and time and set it to automatic. Secure connections rely on accurate time settings to verify certificates. If your clock is even a bit off, the connection can fail. Turn on automatic date, time, and time zone so your system stays correct and synchronized. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, disable it and try again. These services can route your traffic through locations or filters that interfere with Zoom's secure channels. Disconnect, wait a few seconds, then relaunch Zoom and test your meeting. Temporarily turn off your firewall or antivirus and test Zoom. This is just for troubleshooting. If Zoom connects while security software is off, that means it's being blocked by a rule. Turn your protection back on immediately after the test, then adjust settings later to allow Zoom traffic safely. Finally, restart your computer and try joining the meeting again. A fresh boot clears cached network data and restarts background services that Zoom depends on. Work through these steps in order, and you should be back in your meeting with a secure connection. If the issue persists, it may be a broader network or account problem, so consider checking with your organization or Zoom support for further help.